Hey guys, this is Shalita. I'll be taking you through a day in my life as a pre-med student at UCI. I usually start out my Friday mornings by scootering over to the hospital where I shadow an oncologist. If you're considering going into medicine, shadowing is one of the best things that you can do. Now I'm heading back to campus to the science library in order to take a meeting. This is one of the study pods that we have, so this is where I'll be tutoring my students. I tutor in 3rd grade reading, and today my students were feeling a little competitive, so we did a Kahoot towards the end. After tutoring, I met up with one of our admissions counselors to film a thing for campus reps. Started feeling hungry after filming, so I took my poke out into the park so that I could have lunch and a little solo picnic. Everybody else was also outside because of the nice sunny weather that we were having today. After lunch, I went into my research lab. I currently do research with the Stark Cognitive Neuroscience of Memory lab, and I'm doing an independent project on how glymphatic function mediates the relationship between sleep and cognitive decline. So I decided to go into the lab today to look at some brain scans for my data collection. And unfortunately, the software I needed to use required me to launch a software update on my laptop, which took forever. After not being as productive as I hoped, I went to my only class of the day, which is Biosci D11. Developmental and Cell Biology lab. Thankfully, my friend Sai saved a seat for me, so today in lab we were just going over our lab reports. Then I scooted over to my friend's place because he made some hibiscus tea. Thank you, Miguel. It was really good, and I was sipping on that while attending my Women in Science Society general meeting. Besides being an event coordinator for the Women in Science Society, I'm also a high school outreach coordinator for the Southeast Asian Student Association. So that was the next meeting I went to, and we got free boba, so I was happy with that. After that, I met up with my team for my cognitive robotics lab. On top of being a biosci major, I'm also a psychology major, so this is actually for my psychology requirement. Right now, we're programming our robot to try and become a hockey player. I finally walked home after a long day of work, made myself some pork belly with a Thai spicy sauce for dinner, and I finished up the rest of the research that I couldn't today. And that's a day in my life. Thank you for tuning in.